Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch 9 and I'm gonna show you how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press the ground button to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll down and find the Wi-Fi option. Once you find it, tap on it. And here you should see the list of networks called Choose Network. And if you find the network you want to disconnect from, tap on it. If you're connected to it already, that network will appear right here under the Wi-Fi button. And once it appears right here, you can tap on it again, and then tap on Forget this network, and then tap on Forget it and remove it and disconnect from it, basically. And once you're done, you can press the ground button to go back to watch face. And that's how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.